House PTZ1300 surveillance kit offers a high-quality image so that the protected space is always safe. The 4 cameras included in the package can be mounted outside or inside easily. The metal housing and the IP66 protection index allow the cameras to be mounted in humid and dusty condition. They have a full HD 2-megapixel resolution, and the 36 IR LEDs provide visibility at night of up to 30 meters. By connecting the HDMI or VGA output of the DVR to a monitor, you can watch in real time everything that happens in the protected space. Also, through the monitor, access the DVR menu and make the necessary system settings, update the firmware or manage users. The AHD PNI House PTZ1300 surveillance kit supports a 3.5 HDD up to 14 terabytes. We recommend installing a dedicated HDD for video surveillance. Due to the H.265 Plus type of video compression, one of the most efficient, storage space is maximized without affecting quality video. The AHD PNI House PTZ1300 surveillance kit is equipped with everything you need to get it up and running as soon as you open the package.